1.
Shit.
Watch out for the crossbow bolts here. Again, move to the group if you can, so you don't shoot them through. And here we have the arrows coming out here soon, so make sure that one is on Morium and one is on Demiar. Excellent job with the blink there, good job.
Awesome.
Good job, Peppermint, that was good, I like that.
Oh. Peppermint got hit. I'm sorry. One on this one on the other.
Sorry, this one's already had shield broken, so just make sure that the next set of arrows breaks the shield on Vorax or whatever his fucking name is.
Morales.
That's the one. And move over to Paralis.
Oh, I didn't stall. Sorry about that.
Make sure that one of these arrows hits him. Good job. And finish off the boss. Watch out for the crossbow, watch out for the crossbow.
Yeah, if
It's been
possible,
moved.
aim it towards the edge. That means you go inside.
And now it's the intermission. So again, just make sure that you're not standing in the void shit and that you're dropping your stacks.
At least resetting the game helped a little bit.
And everyone on the Rift Simulacrum. We're going to have ads spawning. Make sure that they get hit by the arrows and they're interrupted. Arrows are out, make sure they get hit.
Yep. Zetsu?
Yep. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, go as well.
One of the ads didn't get hit by an arrow, so make sure the next set of arrows hits it. Good job. This is the ads.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure the ads get hit by the arrows.
Ah! Oh. Sorry, wrong button.
After this next set of arrows, please hit the ad. And then we're going to move over. Get everyone healed up before we move. And cross. Good job.
Yeah, Zetsu go.
And hit the ads with the arrows.
This one.
It's okay, it despawns.
Yeah.
Alright, so everyone stay on this platform here. Everyone stay here. Don't die here, just remove your stacks with the arrows.
Just go Shuba just jump into this fucking shit.
And hero.
It's already used.
Yeah, it's already been
Boss
sent.
fucked up.
Yeah,
Oh,
misclicked.
okay. This is going to be tight here, guys, so just make sure you're doing your max DPS. DPS, break the chains. DPS, break your chains. Roxallen, break your chain, bro. Alright. Aim the crossbow. Aim the crossbow or die.
You're gonna die. Ooh. Okay, no mind.
My game,
Just
pros.
shoot it everywhere.
It's okay.
It's okay though. You didn't kill anyone.
And we're going to be moving to this platform afterwards.
You need the feathers to cross, so can you double jump?
Yeah. No. I
You
don't.
do need the feathers to cross, yeah.
Okay.
Just play it safe. And DPS, break the tethers. Tank hold.
No!
When the people are stable, you can break your shit.
I pressed
Don't go too
MS.
long.
Yeah, that's unlucky. Definitely gonna need a macro to remove it. Alright.
DPS,
And,
break please.
Oh, do you want me to taunt?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And break the tether finally. Thank you. Crossbow move to the group. Good job. Watch out for the lines here. Stop, stop, stop. Once you're out of the circle, you can stop. DPS break their tethers.
You can go.
Watch the crossbow here, guys. Watch the crossbow.
Yeah, okay, I'm breaking.
And pick up your feathers. Motherfucker. I'm actually getting fucked by the AMS from my
You can
horsemen.
Yep.
Alright guys, just keep doing damage to the boss. Crossbow, position yourself well. Watch out for the crossbow here, guys. After this crossbow will be tethers. DPS break your tethers. Use personals here, guys. Help the healers. Use your potions if you have the null debuff.
Breaking.
Nice.
Kill, 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 kill.
Good job.
GG.
Well done.
Cutscene.
Fuck me. Already seen it.
Yeah, I don't want to wash it.
Left, you